When paired with your compatible smartphone, select Garmin smartwatches feature voice functionality that lets you conveniently make and take phone calls from the wrist. You can even use your smartphone's voice assistant for more hands-free capabilities. Ready to get started? Keep in mind, while the basic steps and functions will be the same, your experience may vary slightly based on what type of smartphone you have. In this video, we'll be using an Apple iPhone. If your watch receives a phone call from someone who's on your phone's contact list but hasn't been added as a contact in the Garmin Connect app on your compatible smartphone, you'll just see their phone number instead of their contact name. Be sure to watch the other videos in this series to find out how to add up to 50 contacts to your watch via Garmin Connect. When you receive a call, simply tap the green phone to accept it. To make a phone call from your wrist, press and hold the top button. This will bring up the controls menu. Tap the phone icon. You'll see a dial pad that you can use to manually dial a number, or tap on the contacts list. Here you can browse the contacts you've synced to your watch. You'll also see a list of recent calls that were received or made from the watch. Calls made solely on your phone will not show up here. Tap on a name, open the contact, and then tap on a specific number to dial it. During the phone call, audio will come from the speaker on the smartwatch. If your watch is paired with your wireless headphones, the call will not come through them unless the headphones are also paired with your smartphone and you accept the call from the headphones. From the call screen, you can tap the arrow at the bottom of the screen to bring up additional options like volume control, the ability to add another call, or the dial pad in case you need to press the pound key or enter any additional numbers. When you're finished, you can tap on the arrow at the top of the screen to close the options page, and then tap the red phone icon at the top of the calling screen to end the call. Or if you're still mid-call and would like to pass the call to your smartphone for some privacy, simply tap the icon on the left that shows an arrow pointing to a smartphone. When connected to your smartphone, you can use the default voice assistant on your phone, such as Siri, Google Assistant, or Bixby, to send texts, control your compatible smart home devices, and more. To try it, press and hold the middle button on your smartwatch. Holding that button is a default shortcut that launches your voice assistant. You'll hear your assistant's familiar tone, and the watch will vibrate to tell you that your voice assistant is listening, and you can let go of the button and start talking. Ask to send a text, and the assistant will help you dictate a message. Ask your assistant to open the garage door as you're coming home from a walk, and your compatible smart home device will oblige. Ask for a trivia question or a funny joke, and your voice assistant will queue one up. Although you can talk to your smartphone's voice assistant from your watch will not be able to display any text or visual responses from your assistant. That's all there is to it. Be sure to watch the other videos in this series to learn more about using your smartphone.